Kamala Sri Gurun Vaishnavascha Sri Rupam Sagrajata Sahagana Raghunatham Tam Tam Shajitam Shadaitam Sadhutam Parijana Shajitam Krishna Chaitanya Devam Sri Radha Krishna Pada Sahagana Lalita Vishakhatam Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Advaita Gadadhara Shivasadi Gaur Bhakta Vrinda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Sri Guru and Gauranga. All glories to Sri Guru Parampara. All glories to Sri Hare Krishna Mahamantra Sankirtan. All glories to assembled devotees. So today we got several questions. Yesterday no question, several questions today. By Mahalakshmi Devi Dasi from Birboa, France. Maharaj, please accept my humble obeisance. Thank you so much for the daily Harikatha on Zoom. In Jogamaya Devi also Subhadra. In Jashoda Devi, the mother of Subhadra. Yeah, Jogamaya Devi is also Subhadra. Jashoda Devi, the mother of Subhadra. What is this? Can you understand? Is Jogamaya Devi also Subhadra? Bhakti Devi, Subhadra, Tulsi, while Bhakti Devi, Bhakti always taking us to Lord. So one sense that Jogamaya also. In Jashoda Devi, the mother of Subhadra. Yes, Jashoda Devi, actually mother of Subhadra, we cannot say. Devaki is mother, Subhadra's mother. Triveni Devi, she from Russia. Yeah, but first we have to know, Devaki Devi is Subhadra Devi's mother. Devaki Devi is Subhadra's mother, yeah. Subhadra Devi's mother name is Devaki. Triveni Devi Dashi from Russia. Jai Gurudev, Hare Krishna. I would like to ask a question. Yesterday Gurudev said that we should pray as the gopis prayer to Katyayani Devi for service in such a mood. Why then we do not observe Katyayani Vrata? What is the difference? Can you explain please? I do not understand. Yeah, you can do that. For if you have time, you can go and pray. For Katyayani Devi, just please give me the Krishna Bhakti. When you have already connected with Parampara, which Parampara is always teaching us Krishna Bhakti, that means you are already in the trap. Our Parampara already gave us the curriculum how to reach Krishna. That is Harinam Sankirtan with Sadhu Sangha. If you like to, it's Kali Yuga, this is Harinam Sankirtan with Sadhu Sangha. This is the only way to remove all our unwanted mundane desire. Please Gurudev take. So if you have time, you can do that, but I think I cannot say no, but if you are chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra, that's enough. That's enough. Under the shelter, chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra under the shelter of Parampara, without offense, you chant, then gradually you can get whatever Katyayani Devi is going to give you. If you pray Katyayani Devi, that for Krishna's association, Krishna's chanting pure name, she will give you. But Harinam also can give everything. Harinam dhare kato bol. Harinam is so much potency. So therefore we are not observing. But if someone has desire, they can do. This is the question for Gurudev. Dear Gurudev Pandavat Pranam, please accept my humble obeisance. Yesterday in his class you mentioned that don't get involved in emotion on the previous class. As you mentioned that emotion is the cause of demotion and devotion is the cause of promotion. I am not able to assimilate this fact. Please clarify, explain this, because from my understanding, devotion without any bhav, any emotion, is like a robot or a parrot serving. How long can one mechanically chant, devote himself, herself, without any emotion? Maybe a year or two, not to whole life. All the way the Acharya and question about it. Shastra are telling us to the bhav emotion, emotional bhakti. Are you trying to say that somehow devotees are trying to involve material emotion in devotion? Yes, this is my material emotion. Material emotion without Shastra's reference. If we just apply devotion, that is the cause of demotion. And Shastra's reference, if we just follow, then gradually you can get devotion, bhav. Even if so, that material conditioned devotee are showing emotion. What is the harm? The harm. The seeds is sowed. At least they are trying to connect with Krishna unless someone is sowing emotion falsely or name or prem. Request you to explain with example. Yeah, material emotion. Mostly what I want to say that when people are not following Shastra and his faith is not fixed, just material intelligence, material understanding, he applying, and just like I explained many times that what Prabhupada says, but material people nowadays they say all are same. The God and goddesses all are same, everything same. Hare Krishna Mahamantra chanting and chanting the Shiva name, everything is same. So such type of emotional expression, emotional practice is cause of demotion. Better to follow the Shastra. Shastra say, Kalau tad hari kirtanat. Kaliju, actually Hari Kirtan means chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra is the only way to deliver ourselves from this, from our present and material attachment. So we want to get rid from that, get rid the attachment. So the Shastra clearly explains us just to chant Hare Krishna Mahamantra under the shelter of Parampara, that we have to follow. And instead of that, if we just chant any name I can chant, and I can get same benefit. I think the whole class I am telling so. So I think so. You can call me, and because I cannot spend a lot of time, because I have to go through this our class. Then Chandrasekhar Prabhu says, Brother, I have a talk with Sanjay Prabhu. I don't know what is this. Yeah, question. In your Katha, you said Rudrasi, not Sadasi. Could you explain, could you please explain? Secondly, in another class, you turned Arab Shuddha Bhakti. Shuddha Bhakti. Kindly elaborate it. Okay. First of all, we have to know Rudrasi and Sadasiv is Vaishnava. We are always worshipping Sadasiv. We in Setodip, there is Kheer Sagar, there is a door, that doorkeeper this is Vaishnava. Rudrasi, she was different mode. She was actually huge tattva. 12 Rudra. They are actually running, they are actually following, they are destroying all our Rudra is an anger mode of Lord Shiva. You can say that's why. Sadasi, quiet mode, Vaishnava mode. Never ever any, they are not doing anything which is against Vaishnavism. This is the Sadashi. And Arab Siddha Bhakti and Sang Siddha Bhakti. The another class is done adopt Arab Siddha Bhakti. I can remember anyway. Arab Siddha means and Sangha Siddha. We have to think about this. Sangha Shaktu, Kalau, Kali Yuga Sangha is, association is giving us strength to practice the bhakti. And Arab Siddha, I can say, Arab means just like some reason happen. We have just practicing that. Because some reason happen, something happen in your life, miracle happen, or some benefit you get. Therefore, you are practicing. Sangha Siddha is good for us. Question Bhagavad Das. What happened in Jashoda Mata today? Prabhu sent Vrindavan when Nanda Maharaj and Jashoda Mata were not yet in Vrindavan. Can you understand? What happened in Vrindavan when Nanda Maharaj and Jashoda Mata were not in Vrindavan? And how does this happen that they moved to Vrindavan? Anyway, it's very difficult to understand the question. So, what happened? Just to think about Nanda Maharaj, Jashoda Devi, all are Krishna. Krishna always in Vrindavan. With Krishna, Vrindavan, everybody there in spirit. That is the conclusion. So come to our, I think I cover all the questions. Different people sending different way the question. I don't think so any more questions left over. No, I would not. So many messages there, but so again, I explained yesterday about Kana Chele, blind, and boy, name is Padma Lochon, means eyes like a lotus petal. This is material world. We can see the difference between their name and their quality. Kana Chele means blind eyes. No, eyes is not like a lotus petal eyes. But his name is lotus petal eyes, Padma Lochon. So Bhagavan naam o namite kono bhed nai. Difference. Bhagavan name and Bhagavan's quality. Bhagavan name according to his quality. There is no difference. ভগবানের কোনো নামই নিরর্থক বা ভগবানের বাস্তব সত্তা হইতে ভিন্ন নয়। Any name of Bhagavan Lord is not meaningless, everything meaningful and real. ভগবানের নাম বহুবিধ, so many names of Bhagavan. যথা as Paramatma, Brahmo, Srishtikarta, Narayan, Rukmini Raman, Gopinath, Krishna, Praviti, etc. Different names. Paramatma, Brahmo, Creator. Narayan, shelter of all human beings. Rukmini Raman, who is who is eligible to keep conjugal relation with Rukmini. Gopinath, Lord of Gopinath, Krishna means which attracting all living beings and give them and make them eternally blissful. But which purpose to attract all living beings, to make them all blissful, eternally blissful. That is called Krishna. You know, Krishna, this word, Jiva Goswami in Harinamamrita Vyakaran described like this way, that who is attracting means how he attracts. Now with his form, beautiful quality, Dupena Gunena Rupa Lila, a beautiful manifested pastime. A three quality which are such attractive for all living beings. Who has Sukriti means pious credit, they feel attraction. Who has no Sukriti, they are not feeling it. Just like Sukriti, who has no Sukriti means whose heart is full of junk like a name, fame, distinction, desire. They will not feel it. They will not feel attraction. Or whose heart, like an iron and magnet. Iron when full of junk, rust, even you bring it to magnet, it's not feeling attraction, magnet not attracting. So when our heart, consciousness, mind is full of junk, we are not feeling attraction of Lord Krishna's pastime, beautiful form and beautiful quality. So that whoever feeling attraction, Krishna attracting that person who has really sound faith on who is completely free from all that junk, what I say, name, fame, they feel attraction towards Lord. So Paramatma, Brahmo, Paramatma, In this regard, I explained one day, Kachua, this tortoise, I explained one day. I think you remember. Anyway, let me read part. কিন্তু যিনি ভগবানকে সৃষ্টিকর্তা বলে ডাকিবেন তিনি নারায়ণের রসাস্বাদন করিতে পারিবেন না। মানে if someone praying Lord, he is a creator, only creator, he is not able to get the taste of Narayan, shelter, who is shelter of all living beings. Just সৃষ্টিকর্তা, huge. কারণ সৃষ্টিকর্তা প্রভৃতি নামসমূহ জগতে কৃষ্ণ বহির্মুখ জীবের সৃষ্ট অক্ষজ জ্ঞানদত্ত নাম। কৃষ্ণ বহির্মুখ মায়া। This Jagat, this universe created by Vishnu Maya, illusion, energy. So they are not able to get the taste of the Narayan. সৃষ্টিকর্তা বলিলে ভগবানের পরিপূর্ণ সত্তার উপলব্ধি হয় না। If I say only সৃষ্টিকর্তা means creator of universe, then পরিপূর্ণ absolute tattva, the truth, we are not able to realize it. If we just say he is a সৃষ্টিকর্তা, creator. কারণ সৃষ্টি কার্যটি ভগবানের স্বরূপ শক্তির কার্য নহে। This creation is not the responsibility of বহির্মুখ, ভগবানের বহির্মুখ শক্তির পরিচালনা, স্বরূপ শক্তির কার্য নহে। স্বরূপ শক্তি মানে ইন্টারনাল পোটেন্সি, লাইক যোগমায়া কার্য নহে। উহা তাহার বহির্মুখিনী শক্তির পরিচায়ক, means Mahamaya, Parijaya. It's her responsibility. আবার ব্রহ্ম বলিলে ভগবানের সর্ববিধ ঐশ্বর্যের পরিচয় পাওয়া যায় না। The six opulence of Lord, if you just pray to Brahma is Maha. He is not even six opulence, Srimad Bhagavatam, Vyasdev says that কি বলে ঐশ্বর্যস্য সমগ্রস্য জ্ঞান বৈরাগ্যস্য সরভগতিঙ্গনঃ। These six opulence, ঐশ্বর্য means opulence, samagra means absolute opulence. We have opulence, not limited opulence. Birjasya, we have birja means power, but limited power. Jasha, we have fame, Jasha means fame, but limited fame. Sri, beauty, limited. And Gyan, knowledge, but limited. But Bhagavan is unlimited. And Jnana, Vairagya, renunciation, renounce, Lord renounce. If you just look, when Jadav family, Jadav dynasty destroying, and how Krishna was in this, was in meditation, he is able to control everything, protect everything, but he just let it go. Our temple is little bit damaged, we feel so much attachment, right? But Krishna is such a golden palace, Dwarka, Puri. He is destroying, he never protect. He so many families, dynasty, inter-dynasty, destroying. He is not protecting them. This is the best way to think about renounce means what? This, my spiritual master used to say, we have to renounce our material attachment, like how we feel happy to pass stool. No. The stool passing, that make us happy. No any kind of depression. No depression. Rather happy. relief. So similarly, when we have such tendency of renunciation, then we can say real renunciation. Anyway, so if you just Brahmo, then said that Lord, Supreme Lord has 6 opulence. This is not, I am not explaining from myself, it is explained by Srila Prabhupada in his commentary. Commentary name is Anubhashya. Just think about Anubhashya. Bhaktivinoda Thakur's commentary name is Amrita Bhashya. Bhashya means commentary. Gaudiya Bhashya. This is Baladev Vidyabhushan gave us. So Prabhupada gave us that. कारण भगवान है निर्विशेष ब्रह्म निर्विशेष भावी ब्रह्म नाम कहते निर्विशेष ब्रह्म we cannot see, right? No from. সুতরাং উহাও ভগবানের সম্যক মানে প্রপার ভগবান, that is also not proper. সচ্চিদানন্দ বিগ্রহ দোতক নামও নয়। You are not able to just form Bhagavan form, the Lord form, Sat Chit Ananda. Sat means eternal, Chit means transcendental, Ananda means blissful. That we are not able to realize it. Paramatma bolile Bhagavan's sampurna porichaya hoy na. Paramatma, yogi, they are understanding to see Paramatma. That Paramatma is too far, distant so much, such a distance. Like if you see from here to Delhi, because now there is no air pollution. If you go to maybe 20 floor building, we can see Delhi, right? But we cannot see proper Delhi, just like we can guess that is Delhi city, right? Similarly, where Delhi, there is a bus, train, people are moving, you cannot see that. Similarly, Paramatma, Yogi, they are able to see Paramatma in their heart. That Paramatma not able to move, not able to speak. They are not able to hear. Therefore, Prabhupada says, Paramatma bolile jan yogi, Bhagavan's sampurna porichaya hoy na. ব্যষ্টি জীবের অন্তরে অন্তর্যামী রূপে ভগবানের আংশিক পরিচয় পরমাত্মা বলিয়া জাগ্রত। ব্যষ্টি জীবের অন্তরে, all these people, living entities, they are inside অন্তর্যামী English অন্তর্যামী omniscient, ভগবানের আংশিক পরিচয় পরমাত্মা বলিয়া খ্যাত। Just আংশিক, internal. That's a part, not full, absolute. আবার নারায়ণ ভজনকারী ব্যক্তিও কৃষ্ণের মাধুর্য উপলব্ধি করতে পারেন না। Even if people are chanting Narayan, Narayan, you can see if you go to the Mayavadi people, they are speaking everyone, addressing everyone with Narayana, Narayana. So they are not able to realize the madhurjo, sweet nature of Lord. They cannot able to realize. Krishna Bhakto আবার এক কৃষ্ণতেই মাধুর্যের দ্বারা নারায়ণের ঐশ্বর্য আচরিত হইয়া সম্পূর্ণ পরম চমৎকারিতা বর্তমান দেখিয়া নারায়ণ ভজনের স্পৃহা করেন না। Means Krishna Bhakto, Krishna's devotee, আবার এক কৃষ্ণতেই মাধুর্যের দ্বারা নারায়ণের ঐশ্বর্য আচ্ছাদিত হইয়া সম্পূর্ণ পরম চমৎকারিতা বর্তমান দেখিয়া নারায়ণ ভজনের স্পৃহা করেন না। Means Prabhupada want to say this is devotee. Devotee, when they are able to see the sweet, like our six Goswami, like today I was explaining that Raghunath Das Goswami's nature. When, of course it was not English class, it was Hindi class. The Raghunath Das Goswami, when he was really in the near Radha Kund, and someone brought some buttermilk for him. As soon as heard, but he realized that it is not Radha's group, coming from Chandravali group, he threw it. So Krishna, real, our Gaudiya devotees, Krishna Bhakta, in Krishna Madhurya Dara Narayaner Oishwarya Acharita Koriya. Such Madhurya means sweet. This Oishwarya covered. Oishwarya means opulence covered. The covered opulence. Like I can tell you that when Krishna was in Kurukshetra performing, when a sun eclipsed, solar eclipse, performing fire sacrifice. All the gopis, Radharani went there. And they are not happy to see the Krishna with opulence of power. They are not happy with Krishna's opulence from turban, horses, elephant, soldiers, everything there. So, what they say, in Chaitanya Charitamrita, such a way, they explain like this way. Anere hridaya mon, our mind, remind you what? More Vrindavan, our mind always in Vrindavan. My Gurudev used to say like this way, that remove your turban, pagdi, remove all your elephant, horses, come with us. We will decorate you with forest flower. That Madhurya. I can give an example for understanding. Like one person, any country's Supreme Court Chief Justice of Supreme Court, Chief Justice of Supreme Court, Chief Justice, you know this, they are on, people are honoring them. Like, oh my Lord, whatever he says, everybody should accept it. Right? Top-notch judgment he is giving. And in our India, it's a Dharmaraj. But since same Supreme Court, Chief Justice, when he come to home, his grandson says, as well, Grandpa, this, it should be in on the floor in a crawling pose. I like to ride on your back, sit on your back. You have to be a horse. I want to ride you. Take me from one place to another place. People are In court, there's so much opulence. But in home, he is like this. Even his wife says, everybody is thinking he has best intelligence. But his wife says, you have no intelligence. Why? Because she requests him to purchase some clothes for her. But that cloth she not like. Therefore she passed her opinion. You have no intelligence. Similarly, if you see, whenever Krishna in Vrindavan, all the sakhas and friends, all the gopis, how they are interacting easily. This is called madhurya, sweet nature. Sweet nature we are interacting. But in opulence, when court, it's very difficult. Narayan like that. There is no interaction over there. You have to be always officially present. Therefore Prabhupada says, our Krishna Bhakta or madhurya দ্বারা চরিত হইয়া সম্পূর্ণ পরম চমৎকারিতা বর্তমান দেখিয়া নারায়ণ ভজনে স্প্রিয়া করেন না। Then Krishna, when it's up to them. I want to explain one day. When you are worshiping Krishna with opulence manner, although we worship Krishna, but it is we are worshiping Lakshmi Narayana, not Radha Krishna. We are supposed to, as a Gaudiya devotee, we should always think of Radha Krishna, not Rukmini Krishna. So therefore, we have to always think about it. গোপীগণ কৃষ্ণকে কখনো রুক্মিণী রমন বলিয়া সম্বোধন করেন না। গোপীগণ, all the gopis, they never ever address Krishna. That you are Rukmini Raman. Rukmini Raman means who is eligible to keep conjugal relation with Rukmini Devi. Rukmini Raman or Sri Krishna জাগতিক অভিধানে প্রতিশব্দ বা সমপর্যায়ে ভুক্ত শব্দ হইলেও একটির পরিবর্তে আরো একটি ব্যবহৃত হইতে পারে না। Although material point of view it is the same, right? Rukmini Raman, Radha Raman, same. Because Radha's expansion is Shaktamama Rukmini. Because we know there is a song, Radha Bhajane Jar Moti Nahi Vela. Who has not intention to serve Radharani. Krishna Bhajan Avatar Akara Megela. This is written by Bhaktivinoda Thakur. Hence, his and Krishna's bhajan means to serve Krishna become useless. Akara means useless, become useless. Best try to say like that. In that song, in that song there is two lines is there. Line that Suchi no. Two line. I forget that for fast word. Anyway, this is Uma Rama Sochi Shatta Rukmini. Uma Rama Sochi Shatta Rukmini Radha Avatar Shakam Naivani. That's what I'm telling you. All they are Radha's incarnation. Means actually meaning is this. Uma means Parvati Devi. Rama means Lakshmi Devi. Sochi means Indra's wife Sochi. Rukmi means Rukmini Devi, Shatta means Sattavama. All they are expansion of Radharani. So, material point of view, people may say, there is a sin, there is expansion. So there is no harm. But we can, শব্দ হইল একটির পরিবর্তে আরেকটি ব্যবহৃত হইতে পারে না। And we cannot use it when we want to be at a sweetness, kanta bhav, the mood of kanta, that mood. In Vrindavan, Madhurja, not Aishwarya, opulence. Vrindavan is sweet mood, Madhurja. We cannot use alternative word. So therefore Prabhupada says, Rukmini Raman or Sri Krishna Jagotik Abhidhane, means Jagotik material dictionary, Abhidhana dictionary. Pratishabda, synonymous word. Samaparjaya bhukto, means almost same. Samaparjaya bhukto. Shabda hoilo, this sound, this word is same. But একটির পরে instead of one, we can একটির পরিবর্তে আরেকটি ব্যবহৃত হতে পারে না। You can use as any Rukmini Radha, but Vrindavan, because Gaudiya devotee, they are not able to say Rukmini Radha, Rukmini Radha Krishna, Rukmini Krishna. They always say Radha Krishna. রুক্মিণী রমন আচ্ছা শ্রীকৃষ্ণ না যদি মূর্খতাবশত প্রভুপাদ সে যদি মূর্খতাবশত if foolishness due to the foolishness কেউ ব্যবহার করে if anyone use it this is not my explanation I am telling you that I am just reading Srila Prabhupada Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur's commentary Anubhashya. He said যদি মূর্খতাবশত Murkha means foolish, illiterate. Due to the illiteracy and foolishness, if anyone use, তাহলে রসাভাস দোষ হয়। Rasavas means in Vrindavan, it was just worshipping Rukmini Radha, Rukmini Krishna, Rasavas, sweetness. Opulence, it's not matching. Just like in the Kurukshetra, how Radharani with gopis approach Krishna. If you really want, you have mercy for us, remove your turban. More Vrindavan, mone ek kori mani, mone means Vrindavan, mind always Vrindavan. তাহে তোমার পদদ্রয় তোমার পদদ্রয় করহ যদি উদয় in Vrindavan if we just come according to our request তবে তোমার পূর্ণ কৃপা মানি then I will accept you are bestowing full mercy to us. But Krishna never left Vrindavan in spirit, always in Vrindavan. Brajeshwar. Still he is manifesting pastime. What? Physically when he manifesting pastime, yeah. Some universe is still there manifesting same pastime. So many universes. His pastime is going on 24 hours, eternal. The Vishnu Chakravarti Raghavat Pachaddhika explain us if you really want to deliver means what is the actual meaning of deliverance? Means eternally engaged to serve divine couple. The explanation is this: we have to born in the womb of Gopi, which universe Krishna manifests first time. In that universe, not all the time. Here, his first time finished, he went another universe. Still going on. That universe, we will born in the womb of Gopis. Then we are eligible to serve. That is explained by Srila Vishwanath Chakravarti at Rag Padma Chandrika. In Rag Padma Chandrika. So, Prabhupada here, just think, again I am reading this. Jodi murkhota vashoto. Murkho, this word is very disrespectful word. Murkha means foolishness, murkha means illiteracy, murkha means carelessness, such type of. Kyo ব্যবহার করেন means if anyone if they are devotee of Krishna, Gaudiya devotee, but they are worshipping Rukmini Krishna, this is Rasahas. Chanting Hare Krishna. Hare means Radharani. Today who says that? Give the Hindu Katha, who says chanting Hare Krishna? So Radha, actually this is true. I think I explained one day. When Kirtida Devi and Vrishabhanu Maharaj, Katyayani Devi, and then they got the message from Katyayani Devi. Especially actually Vrishabhanu Maharaj got the message. Because he has eagerness, he has to get a baby. So, he told by Katyayani Devi that you have to get in Harinam initiation from one of Brahma's son, named is Krutamuni. He took initiation in Brahmanda Purana. Harinam initiation. I don't like to go through all the explanation. He took initiation and chant Harinam. Then he got Radharani. So therefore I am telling you, we are chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra. Our Rama means not Ramchandra, not Balaram. Rama means Radhika Ramoranam. According to our Guru Vargas and 6 Goswami's explanation, Radhika Ramono Rama means who is able to keep conjugal relation with Radharani, that person is considered to be Rama. So anyway, that who is able to keep conjugal relation with Radharani? Only Krishna. That Rama, if you thinking during chanting Hare Krishna, thinking Radha Krishna and worshipping Rukmini Krishna, therefore Rasavas. Sweet form and Aishwarya, opulence form. Like in our Vaishnava community, after Bhaktivinoda Thakur, and after Jagannath Dadabaji Maharaj, after Jagannath Dadabaji Maharaj, the two part, divided two part. One is chanting Bhajanitai Gaur Radheshyam, Japa Hare Krishna Hare Ram. Bhaja means serve Gaur Radheshyam, same altar. In same altar we are not able to keep Gauranga and Nityananda, but Gaur Gadadhara we can keep. Because Rasha Vastos, Bhaktivinoda Thakur says, not me. Don't blame me. In this point, when Bhajo Nitai Gaur, Nityananda Gauranga and Radha Krishna, same altar. Bhajo Nitai Gaur Radheshyam, Japa Hare Krishna Hare Ram. Outwardly, if you look, he said, we are chanting, we are worshipping Nitai Gauranga. What the wrong? But Bhaktivinoda Thakur explained, Nitai is Balaram, and Balaram is there. We cannot keep Radharani together. Same altar. But if we keep Gaur Gadadhar, Radha Gopinath, this is okay. Radha Krishna, Gaur Gadadhar. Because Gaur Gadadhar is Bhajan Vikram. Bhajadhatu Sevayam. The Bhajan Nitai Gaur Radheshyam. It is not matching. Bhajadhatu Sevayam. Bhajan Vigra Gaur Gadadhar. And our ultimate goal, Radha Gopinath, Lord of Gopis, in Bangshi board playing flute. And all gopis, they are releasing Krishna's flute. Such a very attractive. The explanation is this. Pancham Randher Gane Baje Brojo Narir Pane Elo Thelo Pagolini Pray. Fifth note of Krishna's flute, one tune coming from the fifth note of Krishna's flute, that touching the heart of all gopis and make all of them become crazy. They have some responsibility at home, but they want to go out to meet with Krishna. Such attractive. Such mood we supposed to establish in us. There is no opulence will take place under any life. If someone coming, very important person coming for 1 minute here, so as a woman, he was just normal outfit in home. 1 minute that person will come and then go. Normal outfit woman are wearing, so she should go for change outfit and tilak or whatever, fragrance. They have time for that, or they will go just immediately, whatever. Do you understand what I will say? 1 minute. So such mood they are feeling. Oh, Krishna is there. There's a living without any proper outfit. Such attachment. That we have to establish. Anyway, what I want to say. So Prabhupada, this word, যদি মূর্খতা বশত কেউ ব্যবহার করেন তাহলে রসাভাস দোষ হয়. রসাভাস means মাধুর্য and ঐশ্বর্য mixing together. মাধুর্য and ঐশ্বর্য mixing together. So therefore, we have to always think about it. Some person called from France, I don't know who it is. Madhurya and Aishwarya is not meeting together. Like a court, what I explained. Grandfather in court, and in this grandson cannot go to the court and say like that to his grandfather. Do this there. It's not possible. He can do it in Vrindavan. So that is explained by Srila Prabhupada. So we should not be foolish of our footsteps of Srila Prabhupada Bhakti Siddhanta. We should not be foolish. Then explain. Jahara Bhagavat Sarup Upalabdhi Koriyachen Tara Anabhigya Samajer Moto Erub Rasabas or Siddhanta Virod Karen na. Oh my God, it's heavy, huge comments. If anyone realize the different stage of Supreme Lord's mellows, they anabhigya samajer moto. Anabhigya means inexperienced society, what they are using. All are same. Rukmini, that pratisabda, synonymous word, like Rukmini, Radha, Krishna, Radha, is same, right? Such type of anabhigya samajer moto. They are not using like who realize the different mellow and value of mellows, different mellows. So they are never ever using, they never ever committed Siddhanta Virod. Siddhanta Virod means against of Siddhanta. They are not going. They are not doing anything against Siddhanta, this word. Siddhanta is anabhigya samaj, means inexperienced society, how they are using, all are same. They are perfectly layout. Perfect layout, like, I think Abhay Charan movie, let's see. Abhay Charan movie. When Bhakticharu Maharaj called me for a show, just like a big, not big show, just like I have to carry Prabhupada Bhakti Siddhanta for Samadhi ceremony. That is my role only. So he just put up all the stage of people at different dress, and they will first, when I go there, the first group, the group was there. Then when I cross that, second people are second group sitting, making so many groups, and which can make movie properly and looks like so many people. I don't know that technology, but I saw properly layout to make people feel that is real Samadhi ceremony going on with so many people. And he needed that Gauri of Indian body. So he called me once, and I did that. So the layout, even this in a movie, normal movie, any society, we are always layout accordingly. Why not in spiritual field? Our mood, Hare Krishna Mahamantra, chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra under the shelter of Raghunath Das Goswami, Rupa Goswami, Sanatana Goswami. What is their mood? That we have to explain. That we have to think. Then accordingly we have to go. You know this. Although people may say, why you are not in the heart? They are cooking by himself. Or they are baking madhukuri. Why you are not doing so? Where is your example to following their footsteps? Yeah, we are not doing so. This is true. It's true. We're supposed to do it. There is we will beg. Forget that. Forget. People suppose Saraswati Jal. What is Kirtan? You understand? Sapacho grihete magia kaibo pibo Saraswati Jal. Yeah, it's good. Such mood where. Sapacho means? Sapach means all that door to door without discrimination. Beg that way to survive ourselves. And not like filter water, alkaline water, not like that. People Saraswati is joy. But now it is Kali Yuga. Saraswati is polluted. If we do that, we will die. And if we go there, actually still Vrindavan, such atmosphere there, happily, this Javat people, whenever I go there, they ask, Baba, chapati loge? They bring chapati for me. Garam garam chapati. They want to give. There's so many history, in my, I'm not always traveling in Vrindavan. And now I am locked down here in Vrindavan. I'm not able to go because of the red zone here.
2 weeks. 2 weeks extended lockdown. 2 weeks more.
But third May?
14 days. 3rd to 14 days now.
117 May. The red zone, the declare, right? Oh my God. Anyway, even I cannot go out of this is actually this is the what is it? Kali Yuga government and Kali Yuga influence such a disease around the world, such a virus around the world. It's like a biological war going on. Then you are Siddhanta Vrat Karan now. So we should not deviate our Siddhanta. At least in mind, go door to door and beg. And remove all the angers. People may think so much antagonistic word. Like I gave an example today in my Hindi class. I went to Calcutta, one residence quarter. I put the bail. That day my mind was really down because he brought one sleeper, keep in my face like this way, and showing me that you are such a young. Why you are begging one raw way, anger fish? That why you are begging just kamchor, it's just lazy bum. That English word like that. You're lazy bum. I don't like to give you money. Go from here. Oh my God. They are not understanding. Such type of Kali Yuga's influence. We have to be mildly prepared for that. They will speak like that. Then, at that time I'm 26-year-old, really young. Very young. Sorry, my body is young. What to do? The truth, I just, my head was down. I'm feeling, I'm really foolish. Why I'm doing so? I can walk. I can work and money I can give to Gurudev. But when I came to Gurudev, because I was Guru Maharaj's servant, lunchtime, after lunch he is taking rest. In between period I went there, Dalhousie, Calcutta. And then when I came in, Gurudev realizing something happened in my mind. Really, I was thinking, I like to find out someone to appoint here to look after Gurudev and go for business field again. You know. Then Gurudev says, something happened. What happened? And I explain everything. And Gurudev says, today Mahaprabhu bestow his blessings to you directly and destroy all your ego. That you are able to earn, you are capable to earn. That ego he had, that destroy. Then he explained, Baba, if you will go, so who will take care of me? I am Viddha Jaladur, I am old. So, be here, Lord, everything arrange for our benefit only. Whatever arranged by Lord, everything for our benefit. And yeah, only 2 sentences, then this commentary finished. It over. Wait. तथापि कलिर प्रबल्य हेतु उच्छृंखलतापूर्ण कुसिद्धान्तई उदारता महासमन्वयवाद बलिया एवं सत्सिद्धान्ते मूर्ख लोकेर द्वारा गोड़ामी संकीर्णता नामे परिचित होते जाए. Means because कलिर कुसिद्धान्त, I don't know who is calling that let me talk with him. Haribol? Yeah. Oh, who is this? Who? Yeah, who is very, very bad? From, again call. So, he said, because of this, Kali Prabhalya Hetu, means due to the influence of Kali, Ussrinkhal means desperate, people are desperate. Ussrinkhal means desperate, Purna, Kusiddhantoi, which is not proper logic according to the spiritual world. They are showing Udarata, magnanimity, in the name of Maha Samannaya. In the name of Maha means great magnanimous. Samannaya means unity, great unity. There, Evam Siddhanti Murkhulu. They will say, this is Maha Samannaya. That Kusiddhanta is Maha Samannaya. Haribol? Yeah. Yes. Yeah. Yes. Could you please call after 10 minutes?
Can I call after 10 minutes?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Yeah. So, Kusiddhanto, that is that they are thinking, society, that is they want to say Samannayavad means together, everyone together. Maha Samannayavad Boliya. This Kusiddhanto, this mixing all the ras mellow, this is called Maha Samannayavad, everyone together. And who is following Sat Siddhanta, real Siddhanta, real steps of practice. The Murkho Lokera, on a foolish, illiterate person, they are describing them. The Susiddhanta, Sat Siddhanta means real Siddhanta is like a Golami, Golami English, you can say Golami. Golami means mental speculation. And Sankirnatam name Purichata. Sankirna means is clumsy. They are not broad-minded. We can say that. Rigid mental speculation. What is Sat Siddhanta, like Six Goswami nowadays, like Gaurami. Gaurami, one word also there, I forget the name, one word. Anyway. So this is the entire commentary on this Krishna Pratikya Dira Sarvakale Ache, Je Joiche Bhaje Krishna Tare Bhoije Toiche. This is the Siddhanta. That commentary given by Prabhupada Siddhanta. So tomorrow we will read Gopir Madhur Rasa Shevar Vinimaya Krishna Atma Pradaner Asamartha Heturin. Krishna feeling indebted to gopis. এই প্রেমের অনুরোধ না পারে ভজিতে অতএব ঋণী হয় কহে ভাগবতী. That slok will explain tomorrow. Today I have phone call also. I have to go through. Please excuse me if I am not able to explain properly. I think I did, but I am not an English person. My English may not make you understand properly. But if you want, we can write it. This commentary, we can write. Writing English could be more clear. Then we can send it. Prabhupada says, Hare Krishna.